Okay, let us see the third week, question number 1. This A, B, C, D, E, F are the point name. The point A is x mm above HP and 45 mm in front of the VP. Okay, let us see how to represent this point in AutoCAD. Okay, I already set units and limits. Directly I will start from reference line. Take line, switch on ortho, and approximately you draw straight line for 200 mm. Okay, then first point, let us name it single line text. Here we need letter height is 5 mm and text angle 0, cursor will begin, then X. Here next letter, here Y. Okay, first name the reference line. Then let us do the X, first A point, first front view. Okay, straight line from here we will start. Draw, it is x mm above HP means x I am here taking 50 mm. So that 50 mm line you have to draw 50. Then at the end of the line you place point. The command for point is PO. Click here. A point is created. Point I already typed DDP type. Okay, to enlarge the point size. That's why it is coming like this. Okay, then name that point. Single line text, place and letter height 5 and letter angle 0. Okay, A dash, this is front view, so that front view always contain dash. A dash. Okay, now we'll indicate the dimension 50 mm. Front view finish. Then top view. What about top view? Let us have a look, question paper. It is 40 mm in front of the VP. Okay, VP reference will be appear in the top view, 45 mm. In front means it will come below the reference line. So you take line, draw 45 mm below 45, and then take a point, right click, input point, here one point, and here you have to name it. Height 5, angle 0, then name A. Top view letter will not contain dash. Okay, front view only contain dash. In addition, you give dimension 45 mm in front of VP will appear like this. This is the answer for point A, representation of point A. Then second one, point B. X mm, 50 mm above the HP and 50 mm behind the VP. Okay, I am taking here X 50, so that B, point B, let us say above XP means approximately 25 mm. You leave some space, and 50 mm you draw a line 50 mm. Same way you create point here, and while naming the point you can copy the nearby text here, and you can edit it. Double click and you bring the cursor and you can edit it. It is shortcut. Okay, B dash. Similar way, the point is in top view it is behind the VP. Okay, so that that will be coming again same side, top, same point, because this is 50, already 50 mm behind means same point, on the point it should indicate. So let us name it B dash, and B will appear same way. Okay, I copied this and double click, bring the cursor rightmost, remove that. This is top view and front view. Okay, and indicate the dimensions. Okay, next point, C point. Below the HP, 55 mm below the HP, and 50 mm behind the VP. Approximately 25 mm. 55 mm below the VP means you have to draw downward. Front view will appear 55 mm below the XY line, and here you create a point, right click, you take point here and you name it, copy this A, copy here nearby, and you can go for double clicking, editing it. That point name is C dash, front view. Okay, front view always contain dash symbol. Similar, what about top view of the C? XMM behind the VP means it is above the XY line. XMM means 50 mm I am taking. X stands for 50. So right straight to this, you draw 50 mm line and place the point, take point like this, and you can copy the nearby letter. This is top view, so that while naming should not give dash, and you go for dimensioning. Measurement you have to give 50 here, 55. Okay, like this way you can go for all the points. D point, mm below HP and XMM in front of VP. Both are same below the XY line. So let us draw that. Approximate length 35 mm. You draw 35 mm. This is front view. So we will create a point at the end of the line, and you copy the nearby letter. Any letter you can copy, and you can double click and edit. This is point name is D. Okay, we'll go for nearby. Switch off also, and you place the letters accordingly. Okay, now same way you draw another line of 50 mm, XMM, that is 50 mm. Okay, here you create a point and you can name it D, name as D. Copy any letter and you can go for double click and you name it. Okay, that's all. And finally you go for dimensioning. Measurement you should provide. Okay, E point, what about E point? On the floor means on the XY line. XMM in front of VP. In the front view it will appear as on the floor means on the XY line. Okay, E point. Right click, point, directly you can take for point, click. Here you have to name, copy any letter. This is front view, so that with a dash, that is E dash. E dash. In top view, in front of BP means how much XMM. Draw 50 mm line below. At the end you place the point. Right click and take the command point. Okay, the command for point is PO. Anyway you can take the command and name the point. Double click and remove the, it is top view, so you provide dimension. Okay, E point. F point on the floor and X mm behind the VP. Okay, on the floor means okay, will do. Same, it is on the floor and X mm below behind VP. X mm means 50 mm. It is top view I am drawing. Okay, and you create point. Here it is front view, one point. Again point will be top view. Okay, you copy the letters. Here one letter, we need to name. Here one letter. See, this is front view. F point front view. So F dash. F dash. This one is F, top view. F. Okay, you go for dimensioning. That's all. F. G point in the wall and X mm above the HP. The X mm above the HP is the front view, so that in the wall means top view it will appear as a on the floor, on the wall, on the XY line. Okay, so let us do that. You create a point first on the wall, top view. This is top view, and you can name it top view. Okay, double click. The point name is G, top view without containing dash, and front view X mm above the HP means 50 mm. Okay, 50. You draw one line, right click, point here, and you can copy the nearby letter, or you can go for text command also. It is a shortcut, that's why I am telling. This is front view, that double click and you add dash symbol and go for dimensioning 50 mm, X mm. Okay, finally we will enlarge this line by stretching little bit, and you can remove this Y name also. Okay, click and drag little bit away. H both, see here, H point is on both floor and wall, means it is both on the XY line. Okay, you create a point on the XY line, both point on the XY, because both view will be on the XY line, same single point. So you copy the letters, you name it. Okay, again one more copy, two letters, double click and edit it. H point, H dash and H, both are in a same view. H. Okay, this is the answer for first third week first question. Here I am taking X as a 50. You can take as your register number. Thank you.